Hello YouTube, welcome to my crib. Okay, so this is what you see when you first walk into my dorm room. Not very exciting. Here we have the fridge, pretty big for a dorm room. Has all of our stuff in it. Freezer, got the necessities right here. Big deal. Gets you through life. Again. Definite necessities. And then we have the sink, some dish soap, my teapot, the Keurig, microwave that my roommate actually brought, some random stuff, coffee and snacks are up there. We have the oven with well, it's like a full-size oven with the grill top. And then we have more snacks. And here we've got our dishes. And then in here, right next to the entry, we have the bathroom. And whenever you come in, that thing turns on. And it is so loud, so hopefully you can hear me, but we've got plenty of storage, more storage behind the mirrors, toilet, big shower, tub, everything. And then when you walk out, we're back to the kitchen. That's my roommate's room. And then we have our TV. I'm just gonna pan the living room for a second. Speaker, coffee table, couch, decorations. This is our sad little dining room. We have this cute little light that turns on. If I can find, where's the switch? Oh my god. It says welcome home. One of the most important parts right here. This is the thermostat. My dorm has AC and heat. Right now it's at like what, 64 degrees? I don't know. In here, it's not cold. Carly's not happy. But then our view, come on, focus, is just the rest of the dorm. And then like a parking lot, a little sitting area and stuff. It's not that interesting. Then we have my quarters. Walk in, turn the light on, and this is what you see. So we walk in. Here is my laundry basket, which is like the nicest thing ever. I'm so happy I bought this. My laundry room is like down the hallway, like 4 turns. So I'm just gonna show you what this does. Look, it collapses and then you can just like carry it. And I really need to do laundry, so it's really full. Like, the best thing I have ever purchased. And so if you close the door, we got the mirror right here. Just wearing like a thrifted Yale sweatshirt, jeans, whatever. I just came from class, so it's not that interesting. Picture of my dog, a little chalkboard, and it has like a picture of me and my dad, and then this cute little thing my mom drew for me when I moved in. And then over here to the left of the door, I have just this pin thing that has my keys, umbrella, a little wallet thing. I think that's about it, like pretty uninteresting. My backpack. And then this is actually really nice. It's a desk and then like a little storage unit thing for your clothes or whatever you want to put in there. I have so many books and stuff that they don't like fit anywhere stored away, so they're just like hanging out here. Then we have like a notepad and a little planner thing. And I have a change jar, some pictures, my schedule, the notes that my parents gave me when I moved in. And we have my picture wall. Love these things, got them from Amazon. I got these prints from a girl on Instagram. If I remember who it was, I'll put it below. And then we have my rings, beads, a little book thing my sister got me. This stuff is from TJ Maxx right here. This has my earrings and like hair ties, sunglasses, perfume and deodorant, a cup that my best friend got me for my birthday, my laptop, phone, all the necessities. There's like extra extension cords here, a mini stapler. And then over here, I got this from Amazon. It's really nice. If I can just, like, wow. It's so bright. And then this is just like a cup of water because over here I have my essential oils lamp thing, a candle, even though I can't even burn candles. I used to use it when I was at home, so it just kind of reminds me of home. Mario spray for at nighttime or morning, whatever. And then I have essential oils over there, Vaseline for when my lips get chapped. That plant is from TJ Maxx. Most of this stuff is from TJ Maxx in my room. This is from TJ Maxx, this lamp. That is from IKEA, I believe. On the wall here is a little print that my sister got me for my birthday, I think. It says, "Side by side or miles apart, sisters will always be connected by heart." I think that's really cute. Over here I have my towel and my robe. I'm like out of breath. This my sister got me. It's from TJ Maxx, I think. This duvet is from Urban Outfitters, TJ Maxx. And then the lights are from my sister, and the tapestry is from Urban Outfitters. And then over on my little windowsill over here, I have this, if I can, it's like a little cat mug, TJ Maxx. And then this is like my camera battery that I charge there. A little plant from Myers, TJ Maxx, my heat pack, and then a little plant and another plant, both from Myers. And then over here I have a little fan that's from TJ Maxx, I think. The best part of where I live is the closet. It's literally like the same size as my closet at home, and usually dorm rooms don't have closets, but I am lucky to have one. So it's kind of color coordinated, not really, I tried. But there's like t-shirts, whatever, flannels. Over here is more color coordinated, I guess. And then we have these hangers that I got from Amazon because I have a lot of pants. And so they just hold like all my pants there, not all of them. And then I have coats and sweaters over here. More jeans, sweatshirts, towels. Here I have sweatpants, more sweatpants, jean shorts, like Lululemon, Nike workout pants, normal leggings, and then hats and a purse I think is down there. Then down here I have my large array of shoes. That's not even all of them. Most of them are at home. It's bad, I know. Here I have like grocery bags and my Lululemon bag and just, I don't know, stuff I use to take stuff home and bring stuff back with. Here I have pajamas. That's my nail kit and like gel nail stuff in the light because I like to do my own nails since now I'm at college. I can't really afford going to a nail person. Air mattress for when people come to visit me, and then like laundry stuff right there. The rug is from TJ Maxx. I'm trying to think where everything else is from. Amazon, don't know if I already said that. Yeah, so that's basically my crib. Oh, the view. That's what I get to wake up to every day. It's not that exciting. It's just basically the same as my living room. But you deal with what you get. And I'm really grateful to have gotten this dorm because I literally have a class. Like the class I had today, I walk out of my door, turn right, walk like 30 steps, turn left, and it's right there. Yeah, that's basically it. So kind of a short video, but I hope you enjoyed it. Hopefully this will give anyone that might be considering GVSU a look at what their dorm room might look like. So, other than that, it's a pretty nice place to live. Yeah, so that's it. Thank you for watching this video if you watched all the way through the end of it. And I'll see you